Let us see a demo program on creation of strings in 4 ways. Now you see title 1, see all clear. Then we are using pair of single quotes. Then thereafter we are printing it. And here I didn't write. If you want to test its type, you can use type built-in function. There you can write title 1. Then what is printed? Class str. This you test. Whenever one thing, being a beginner and all that, then whenever you get it out, seeing is believing. Then there are many functions. I am going to already some I introduced, and I am going to explain many functions like type. If you want to know the type of particular element, then just using type function you can write title 1, then class string, that is printed. That also you can view. One thing I am telling you, don't limit to the code whatever I have written. I have certain limitations. That's why if I go on telling same things and some people feel boring. That's why I am voluntarily avoiding. But being a learner or a student, you must know everything, practice by doing things many times, and then you can have better knowledge. That's why don't limit your exercises with my code. Whatever you want to learn, everything you try then and there. That too, you are very privileged because this is interactive program. You need not write entire program, thereafter seeing errors and all that, not required. Just one line of code write. Now title 1 I have written. Immediately you want to test its type. Then a type function use. Then you can know its text. You know its type. That is the way of learning programming languages. Next, here title 1, see all here. We include with pair of single quotes. Title 2, C++ all clear. Then we include with a pair of double quotes. Next, third, title 3, Java all clear, pair of triple single quotes. Next, title 4, Python all clear, and there pair of triple double quotes. So that the delimiters, as I told you already, these are defining these are mere delimiters. Delimiters means where particular element is started and where particular element is ended. In this case, where string is ended. Actually, from the beginning, many times I told you, it is a brainless machine. A computer is like a blind man. How you give direction to a blind man, a blind person, in the same way you have to direct a computer. Now that's way. See, once you write single quote or double quote, it can understand that a string is started, and once you write another this thing, then it can understand that the string is ended. Now one more example why error comes. Here you have written double quote. Here if you write double quote only, computer can understand the string is terminated. Suppose if you write a single quote here, it cannot understand that. That's why it leads to error. This point always think logically why error is coming and all that, because it was designed in such fashion. It starts with a double quote, it should be terminated by double quote. Start with a single quote, it should be terminated by single quote. Start with the triple quote, single quotes, it should be terminated by triple single quotes. That is the reason for coming errors. It is designed in such a particular fashion, so you must write code subject to that design only, not otherwise.